What's good, YouTube? It's your boy potionty back at it with another video, and if it ain't good, then it's nice, indeed. Welcome to everyone on the channel. If you don't know me, I am Mr. If It Ain't Good and It's Nice, aka potionty, aka Tyrone, aka Josie Echo. Call me anything you want, call me Ty, call me anything. I am a South African YouTuber and I am a multi-talented producer. I produce multiple genres and blah 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 blah. So in today's tutorial, it's actually not a tutorial, it's just a breakdown and a showcase of how I made this really trending beat, really trending AMAPIANO beats using stock sounds only. So I didn't use any packs at all, like at all. If we check that, sorry, throat. I actually got this from stock FL Studio Sounds, so I'm gonna show y'all like everything comes from stock FL Studio Sounds. So yeah, this kick comes from there. That's the original. And now it sounds like this, you know, more AMAPIANO like. That room, stock. Just want to prove to y'all that I'm not lying. It's the same room. Shaker, stock. See, that's where it comes. Okay, let's just do this, close down everything, and then do this. See, comes from stock sounds, baba. And I'm gonna, you guys are gonna hear how dope this beat turned out. Stock. Okay, that's morphine, stock plugin. Log drum, stock plugin. 4 minutes actually comes from the harmless stock plugin. To flesh it out, stock plugin. Morphine, stock plugin. Vocal go, stock sound, not plugin.
Go.
And then it sounds like this. Let's out a little bit.
Infection.
It was a night.
I'm just check this out. That's right.
You think that? What's this knob do?
You know, it's just stock sounds. Also that, you know, you might have heard that in Jobe. Stock, baba. Like everything is stock. It's just stock, and then I mixed everything. You know, it's mixing. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna play each sound on its own. That's the kick, pretty standard, sounding what do you call it? Pretty standard sounding kick, like AMAPIANO standard, you know. You know, and then we got the room, and then we got the same room layering on top of that other room to add more rhythm. And then we got a shaker. I added some echoes, some time and delay and stuff and everything, you know. And then I got that other room, just normal, repetitive, bland, pretty bland sounding. And then we got chords. You know, let's see, what was morphine was playing now. Okay, we cut off the low ends. Stock also, like everything is just stock. And then we got the log drum here. let's get this video to 100 likes and I'll show you how I made this log drum sound like this. Okay, so it's actually from, let's do this, let's say save preset, let's say what can I call it? Let's call it potions log drum. Yeah, so let's check, where is it? Okay, it's there. This is how the original log drum sounds. And then wait, and then I got it to sound like this. Whew. And then I did a switch up on the log drum pattern. I did a switch up, formant, the trombone, the vocal, like this is dope, and then it's just the FXs. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna play the beat for y'all now. I really hope y'all like it. I really hope y'all enjoyed this breakdown. And yeah, 100 likes and I'll show you how I made that log drum. But anyway, y'all stay dope, y'all stay fresh, y'all stay sexy. Y'all know the drill. It's your boy Mr. If It Ain't Good and It's Nice, signing out. Peace.